Hello students, today let us study the poem The Quality of Mercy written by William Shakespeare. You can see William Shakespeare on the screen. Now I will read the poem, model reading of this poem. You can see the screen while I am reading the poem. The quality of mercy is not strained, it droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. It is mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. The throned monarch better than his crown, his sceptre shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above this sceptred sway. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God Himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. The Quality of Mercy by William Shakespeare. Summary and analysis. This is an extract from Shakespeare's play The Merchant of Venice. These lines are spoken by Portia, one of the main characters in the play, from Act 1, Scene 1. She argues with Shylock, saying why mercy is the greatest virtue of all. The poem is a sonnet having 3 quatrains and 1 couplet. There is no particular rhyme scheme. Contents. The Quality of Mercy summary has 3 stanzas. Stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3. In the first stanza, the poet says that the quality of mercy is never affected by anything. It has come down on earth from heaven like gentle rain. That is, it is as gentle as the raindrop and is sent down on the earth by God Himself. Mercy is a blessing for both the giver and the taker. To the giver, the mercy rewards him fame, appreciation, and love, while to the taker, it is the lifesaver. It helps him from avoiding the punishment which he would have otherwise suffered. Stanza 2. According to the poet, mercy is the most powerful thing in the universe. It is something which makes a king better than his crown, that is, his kingship. He walks with his sceptre, that is, his staff, when moves with him to show his sovereignty, to show his power over his subjects, which makes the people honor him and fear from him. Stanza 3. Stanza 3 continues from the last line of previous stanza. The might of the king might fill fear in the hearts of people, yet his quality of mercy is better than his sceptre if it is in him, because it is the quality of God Himself. Thus, if a king is merciful, he will be liked by the people and treated like God. According to the poet, when a king shows mercy, then his powers become like that of God, because it will make even his enemy to love and respect him. The one who will receive mercy will always remain grateful to him, and the people will love him more.